Don't tell nobody, man, but I'm about to tell you Wall Secret's about making big money in maintenance. In the life of maintenance, you may not think it all glamorous and whatever. It really isn't, man. We are the guys who go out and dig the ditches. You know what I'm saying? We clean out the toilets. We clean out the drains. We make everything work. We are the gears in the machine. I've been doing this for 32 years. I started out in rooming houses. And if you don't know what that is, look it up. Anyways, bad areas, whatever. I worked my way up through the systems. I've moved to different complexes. I've worked at some high-end stuff, and I've worked in some dirt, buddy. Dirt. And there's a way to make money doing this. Good money. You gotta work the system. You got to do quality work. You know, yeah, it's apartments, man. But you can't go at it with the attitude of, this is just apartments, nobody cares. Somebody lives there, somebody cares. But this is how you learn your skills. How to do drywall work, how to do electrical, how to do plumbing. You cut your teeth in this stuff, man. And then, if you so choose, you can go on to being a contractor eventually. But when you're doing this, don't go at it with a bad attitude that this is just apartment maintenance. This is where you build. This is where you learn how to do this stuff, man. So, if you want to learn how to make good money doing this, follow me. Subscribe, and I'll show you how to make good money doing this. No stress. Take stress off of you. You just got to invest yourself in learning. Never be afraid to do something you don't know. Because remember this, somebody put that together. You can learn how to, if you can take it apart, you can put it back together, man. Always have a positive attitude about what you're doing. And you don't need a bunch of fancy tools, man. I started out with just generic pliers, generic drill, worked my way up. Man, you can have just a Ryobi's. It doesn't matter, man. You work with what you got and succeed.